Hey guys, it's Krystal Lee Moore here, also known as your Home Sweet Home 509 Realtor, Krystal Lee Moore. And I'm just going to talk quickly about the importance of home maintenance. And I'm going to do it with a story about our house. And I feel like these stories about our house are amusing to all of my clients and all of our friends. And so you might get some enjoyment too and learn something. So when we bought our house in 2019, they weren't red flags at the time, but they became red flags after. So the primary ensuite shower is where we're going to start. And this will be as short as I can make it. But basically, the shower has been a little bit of a nemesis. The first thing we did when we got moved in is we had Provincial Glass and Mirror in London. That's my husband's company. So they came and changed the shower into a glass shower, which was fantastic. Looks way better. Then we found out that there was an issue with the drain in the shower. So someone had put glue, like hard glue, into the drain to fix it. I don't know. Anyway, so we had to get someone to come and cut the joist from underneath in the garage, which had never been done. So someone knew there was a problem, and the glue was the solution. The shower also, at some point, was every time we had a shower for 3 years, it was spraying water into the insulation in our garage. So Sallis Plumbing and Heating comes over a lot to fix things. So they fixed the water so it wasn't leaking anymore. The drain was fixed. That was great. The other day, I'm showering, and I went to adjust the nozzle on our shower head, and it came off in my hand. And one would think just turn off the shower, except that I had shampoo in my hair. What am I supposed to do? So then I had to continue to be pelted almost in the face with this aggressive stream of water coming from our wall. We bought another shower head, a rain shower head with a handheld shower thing, which is pretty cool. So they came and installed that on Friday, and it's a happy story after all. But oh my goodness, get professionals to do things, please. Okay, rant over.